You can't buy happiness, but you can buy a motorcycle, and that's basically the same thing.
After updating the NMAX 155 in Indonesia, Yamaha has updated the NMAX in China too. For 2022, the maxi-style scooter now comes equipped with a traction control system, TCS. The scooter also gets gas-charged dual shock absorbers instead of the standard unit, which should improve the ride quality. The shock absorbers are now manually adjustable for preload as well. Apart from the aforementioned changes, the scooter is pretty much the same underneath. At the heart of it is the same 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine that also powers the Aerox 155 and Yamaha R15. The engine delivers 15.36 PS and 13.7 Nm, making it 0.6 PS more but 0.2 Nm less than the India spec Aerox. Other notable features include Bluetooth connectivity, all LED lighting, USB charging and dual-channel ABS. What's impressive is the fact that the scooter's price has not been changed. It still retails at 27,800 yuan, approximately 3.23 rupees lakh. It's available in a total of 7 colors. While the scooter is not available in India, you could have a look at the Suzuki Bergman Street in the 125 cubic centimeters segment, the Aprilia SXR 160 in the 160 cubic centimeters segment and the Kiwi VS 300 in the 300 cubic centimeters segment.